Hafaday, my name is Jeremy from Cherry Detailing, Guam's #1 detailing shop. We specialize in general detailing, ceramic coating, and window tint installation. Today, I want to let you guys know about the exciting detailing service that our clients love and have been raving about. But first, here's a typical problem that we find with so many cars. The problem we find is that they're too dirty and no one wants to spend time in them. But much of our times are spent in our cars. You should enjoy getting in your car and not despising it because it's so trashed. We maintain our health, our houses, we even see the barber on a regular basis. But we tend to let our cars fall through the cracks even though they take up so much of our time. How do we fix this? Sometimes getting your car washed isn't enough and a detail can be really expensive. What if there's something in the middle, something to keep your car clean every month that doesn't break the bank? That's where our maintenance detail comes in. What is a maintenance detail? A maintenance detail is a regular detail performed on a regular schedule at a regular price point. Who is our maintenance detail for? It can be for anyone, but we find that many of our clients fall under these categories. Maybe you own a minivan, an SUV, a kid hauler, a family car. That gets trashed because our kids drop snacks in the back seat, spill their soda, wear muddy shoes, you name it, but it doesn't need to stay in that condition. When we maintain those vehicles on a regular basis, we keep it in a clean condition instead of neglecting it. Or maybe you own one car and you use that one car all the time for everything, to and from work, to the store, to your cousin's house, going on hikes, or even going to the beach. This car doesn't get absolutely trashed, but it is your main vehicle and you want to keep it clean. We love maintaining these cars because it's your car you get in every day. We love knowing that our maintenance detail keeps you happy with your car because it's always clean. Or maybe you have a garage king or garage queen. This car isn't driven on a daily basis, but it is something you want to keep absolutely clean and in the best condition possible. Even though we don't drive them all the time, they do need regular maintenance. We don't just want to preserve the value of these cars long term, but we want to keep them in the amazing condition because that's the point of having these cars. We want to make sure they stay in the tip-top shape. So that's what our maintenance program is all about. If you're interested in joining our maintenance plan, head over to our website to learn all about our monthly and quarterly maintenance detailing packages. And please give us a call or send us an email so we can make a custom plan tailored to your specific needs. We look forward to maintaining your vehicle and making it look cherry all year round. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.